finch and ladybird, nightingale, blackbird, how is it you sing? Whence comes this melody constantly flowing? Is it rejoicing or merely hallowing? Are discussing or fussing or simply dreaming? Are you crowing? Are you screaming? Ring-dove and robinet, is it for wages, singing to be sold? Have you decided it's safer in cages, singing when you're told? My cage has many rooms, damask and dark, nothing there sings, not even my lark. Larks never really know when they're captive. Teach me to be more adaptive. Green finch and ladybird, nightingale, blackbird, teach me how to sing.